Hey everyone, how you doing today? This is Brian from WTF, investments, finance, whatever, anything that has to do with money. Do me a favor before we start this. If you can hit the subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. So we're sitting here in beautiful California, beautiful weather, but something I wanted to share with you guys, and I've seen a lot of, and I actually did the same thing. Please make sure you're responsible. Only invest what you can afford to lose. With this AMC and GME, you read these posts about, oh, I just lost, 20, 30 grand. What's my family going to do? If you're doing that, you might want to get some help. You can't put all your eggs in one basket. I started in Robinhood with $300, I think it was. So please don't invest or gamble in for what you cannot lose, especially if you have a family or people that are relying on you to, to pay the bills, to buy food, to support them. That's the scary part. It's great when you win, but it's not good when you lose in anything. So please, do not bet or invest or anything what you can't afford to lose. The reward is awesome. We've all felt that, but like I said, the if you lose, it's no bueno. So that's my 2 cents of an old man here, middle age. Actually, I'm just 21, just turned 21. Can you tell? With this face, not. I wish. Good luck. We're going to be going over some stuff here soon. Robinhood versus Webull, and what I think. Robinhood, I liked them until they kind of did all their shenanigans. Webull, I like them too, but it's almost too much going on. So those are my thoughts there. We'll go through it more. But anyways, I just want to share that thought. Please be responsible. Again, it's your money, it's your life, but I've lost and I've won. And definitely the winning's the better, but luckily I've never lost to where it's going to affect me or my family or people counting on me. So if you like the video, please hit subscribe down there. Please like it. More subscribers, the better, would be great. And hope all is well, and take care. Thank you.